Hello everybody, welcome to our Market Chronicle. Today we're Thursday, April 12th. So today I'm going to talk about the energy sector because on March 7 we make a chronicle about that we could have a bottom on the energy sector. Ever since this bottom didn't really confirm itself, the energy sector made a new low. So today, yes, the energy sector on the shorter term basis, you can see that it's starting a bullish cycle because it's reversing its downward trend. But that upward cycle, is it really credible? Does it have a lot of potential? Well, folks, not really, because if you look at it on the medium term chart, you see that you have all this downward trend here that has not been crossed yet. So yes, there are some breakouts I'm going to show you on the energy sector, but the breakouts you should favor are the ones where we are totally reversing this downward trend, because the energy sector with this downward trend that has not been crossed yet, there's still a probability that it could just stay there, stabilize, and maybe continue to go down. So what we would like to favor is mostly a stock where we have the total reversal of the downward trend. For instance, Nico Resources is a perfect example of that. This is a downward trend. The stock stabilized around this area. Boom, the stock made a nice entry point over there, and ever since it continues. Another one, Bankers Petroleum. Look at that important downward trend. Today, on that breakout, the stock is totally reversing this downward trend. So it has more upward potential. There's really nothing that limits the stock from continue to go up. Canadian Natural Resources also, same scenario, a total reversal of the downward trend on that breakout, so a nice entry point. Crescent Point Energy, same scenario with a total reversal of the downward trend. We have also another one like Calfar Coil Services, but I just also want to bring to your attention that, yes, technically speaking, it is nice, but also every time the stock has tested that support here, it bounced. It did it here, it did it around this area, and now it's doing it again. So this is a nice entry point for Calfar Coil Services. We have also Canadian Oil Sands, which is not yet a breakout, but the target is higher than 2082. That's a nice entry point. It will reverse totally its downward trend and break through that resistance. Other stocks are, yes, there are breakouts. For example, Suncor Energy isn't a breakout, but just like the energy sector, it's limited to that downward trend. So if you want to get into Suncor Energy, there's no problem because it's a breakout, but open half of a position because you have this downward trend which could totally jeopardize your gain potential here, and maybe Suncor will just continue to go down after. Same thing for Baytex Energy. Yes, it is in a breakout if we put down that line here, but this trend here, it has not been able to cross it. Imperial Oil, it is near a breakout, but you know your gain potential goes from 43 to 47, so $4 potential on Imperial Oil, so you'll be able to make some money on that stock. So the stocks that are nice, technically speaking, that are reversing their downward trend, goes from Nico Resources to Canadian Oil Sands, no, to Calfar Coil Services, I mean, and the stocks that are near, it can include Canadian Oil Sands. Where you should open half of the positions is mostly on Suncor, Baytex Energy, and Imperial Oil if ever it makes a new high and it breaks that resistance at 43.86. So that was our Market Chronicle for today. See you next week for our next market report.